Another trip not in the Santa Ana Mountains, but still in the Cleveland National Forest, just in San Diego. It's so dry this year up north, it's pushed me down south. But got a good trip today. Gonna head down to a swimming hole and we'll see if it's there. It's pretty hot too, so can't wait to swim. Wow, this is gonna be a long trip down into the canyon, but wow, it's beautiful. Look at that view. I am really not looking forward to going back up this. It's like so steep, I'm just sliding down. Oh man. Just about made it to the bottom, and dang, water's rushing down there. So good to see running water, and a good amount too. Oh man, I'm not even insane enough to go through that much poison oak. I'm gonna find a different way. Dang, these walls are gnarly too. So awesome. Something's crawling on me. But dang. Alrighty, can't stay dry anymore. No way around this pool without going in. I really need a dry bag because that's pretty deep, so see how that goes. I'm able to stay on the sides here where it's not super deep, thank goodness. Otherwise this would have been hard with the big backpack. So cool though. Nice. Well, this was dumb. Left the spare GoPro battery in my pocket. It's drenched now. Hopefully that'll still work. Now this is what I'm talking about. This pool's a good 10 feet right here. Heck yeah. Man, it's like the freaking jungle out here. This is so cool. I've never seen anything like this. These walls, and they're all like dripping. Crazy. There's a spring right here that just drips. Like a little shower, you can like stand in it. Woo! That's so cool. Nice. Ah, cool off too. Pretty tough terrain out here, that's for sure. Oh, man, hard to see the rocks at the bottom of those. It's an old dam out here. That's interesting. Definitely wasn't expecting to find this. Cool. Ooh, they're slippery. Dang. Oh man. This is a toughie to get around. I might have to hold my backpack above my head. It's pretty deep. And I might be able to scale up the side there too. I might try that first. Doesn't get any better than this. Yeah. All right, heading downstream a little bit farther. I believe I'm just about at the main pool that I had in mind for the day, but we'll see. All right, have to ditch the backpack, so hopefully I won't need anything out of it. I won't be going too much farther, but there's no way around this one without swimming. All right, here we go. Woo! nice. Ah, there she is. The big pool. Dang, that is awesome. All right, jump time. Oh yeah, awesome. All right, now I'm gonna head back up to my stuff. That's such an awesome swimming hole. Dang. An old ladder out here. That's interesting. Whew. Goes pretty high and my shoes are wet. So definitely not gonna go all the way up. Yeah, cool. Made it back to the slot. It's a deep pool. It's gonna be nice to cool off before having to climb all the way back up, that's for sure. Swimming in the slot. So sick. Damn. Whew. Yeah. Alrighty. Getting ready to do the grueling climb back up. I am so not looking forward to this, but at least the car is at the very top of the hill, so that's good news. Oh, my heart rate, maxing it out, 192. Oh, dang. Oh, made it. I've never been more happy to see my car ever. Whew. Had to catch my breath there. Finally feeling better, but dang, that was a gnarly climb up. But totally worth it. All those swimming holes, so epic. Definitely a good start to summer, that's for sure. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Till next time.